Morning. I'm Tevan Morgan, coins trader for all who don't know, and I trade the financial instruments. Right. This is Aussie Yen, right? One of my favorite asset that I would like to trade. Right. So H4 chart. We are in a big sideways move, but we're in a big sideways move, right? But I'm long-term bearish on this asset and Yen pairs, seriously, right? But I use pivot points to enter my trades and exit also. But the indicator not necessarily determine your performance as a trader or not, right? For me, is the decision that I make as a trader with being like longer term bearish, short term bullish, right? Based on fundamentals or macro economics, right? So that's how I really analyze and make my decision on my trade, right? Then I will go to technical analysis to determine the price where I get in and the price where I exit, right? That is basically what I use technical analysis for, right? So I use pivot points. I have a weekly, I have a daily, and I also have a monthly. But I'll just look into the daily today and possibly weekly, just to show you insights of what's going on. So this is the H4 chart, right? H1, right? This is how it looks. This is a custom pivot points. And one of the main reasons why I like these pivot points as an indicator, because it's a leading indicator, not a lagging. It's a leading indicator, right? With that said, I know where I would want to get involved in the market, what price I would like to get involved in the market tomorrow, right? Tomorrow, next week, next month, right? But this is a day pivot that I'm using right now. So with my technical analysis, pivot let me look into tomorrow. So right now I'm here 11 a.m. in the morning. I'm planning tomorrow's trade, right? If you get up in the morning, look at your charts for opportunities to take trade today, basically you have already lost. You're already lost. Yeah, you have already lost. Because in order to be profitable and successful, you need to plan ahead. Similar like how you plan your day ahead, what you're gonna wear tomorrow, what you're gonna do tomorrow or next week or whichever. That is how you must enter the trading business with that same attitude, like plan ahead. right? So when you open your charts and you're jumping around, just looking for charts like basically while what you're going to trade today, what's hot, what's slow, what's hot in the market. You already lost. So with the pivot points that I have here, I'm predicting tomorrow's price movement where I'd like to get involved in the market, right? So we have PP, which is pivot point. It should be CPP, which is central pivot point, right? But these area, pink and this green area highlighted is take profit area, right? Where you enter, if it's a bull, and you enter the market right here, CPP, you take profit at this area, S2, between S1 and S2. If it's a bull, and you enter the market, you like to take profit between R1 and R2. But this shaded area, highly likely for this area to, most likely, I really like to take profit. But based on the price action, and I look left, I can see what's going on. Because structure leaves clue, right? Structure leaves clue. For like this for this particular play, right? We'll have this support right here. We'll have this breakout and we'll have this pullback. With all due respect, you have all right as a bear to sell right here. After the break, you wait for the pullback, sell right here, boom, take it down, right? So what I'm saying, you already planned this trade from yesterday, right? So this breakout, look at this screen, right? This is today, right? You say you want to get involved after the breakout, right? So boom, you wake up, because this happening in Asian session, right? The London session, basically. Rallied up, you wake up to your charts, whatever time that is, right? You enter the trade, boom. You're thinking about taking profits to somewhere down here, right? But bear in mind, the move, this majority of the move happen, right? So you have to follow your trade plan, basically. So tomorrow's play would be something like this. Down, 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 up, up, sell. You understand? Definitely. So this is our really trade in the market, right? And you have several opportunities right here. See it? Up, down, up. You get a bounce off of this support right there, rallied up, right? Come down, still fail to break, rallied up again slowly. If you look on the momentum of the candles, how it rallied up. Similar, rallying up slow. Boom! This breakthrough right here. Went up back, aggressive, boom. Right? So as you can see, you have many chances where you could enter the market here. You have a next chance here. And you have a next chance somewhere within here to enter the market. So this is just basic price action. This is nothing special, or this is just basic price action, right? This is just basic price action. But the whole fact of the matter is you already make the decision to sell or to buy in the market. So when you open your charts, you're looking at your charts for technical setup. You're not looking at your charts to make the decision if you're a bull or a bear, or you have a buy or you're going to sell. No. You already make that decision already. So when you're looking at the charts today, I'm already planning tomorrow's trade, right? I'm already planning, I want to get involved somewhere here. Boom. Less than 5 minutes, 10 minutes. And this is just one asset. And you can go through the different assets which you like, whether yen or pound, whichever asset you like. You go through today, boom. So you wake up, or you set an alert, whichever way, or you please, and you just execute. Execute, that's it. Execute. Now, what I'm showing you, it's the pivot, right? I also have a weekly pivot. That's what I would like to share, right? Here it is, weekly. Right. Boom. Right. Weekly. So this, open an H4 chart. You can identify the buy zone, sell zone rather. Sell zone M3, PPP, and this would be my take profit zone. Right. So this week trade, we could say it play out already this week. Here to here to the pip. This week trade already play out already. So we have next week trade right now. Next week. Right? So this is a weekly trade plan. So we have different trade plan, a weekly and a daily. Right? Whichever suit you as your style of trading you choose. This is a weekly, and I showed you before, a daily, right? So the problem with this most times being a weekly trader, even a daily trader, the discipline, right? You eat profit, your weekly eat profit, you close the trade out. Take the rest of the week off. No. Problem is traders greed, want to get more, going around looking for more trade, looking for more trade, looking for more trade. No. And that is where the problem is, the discipline as a trader. What you said, you just carry out what you plan. That's it. Nothing more. Right? So, as a swing trader, me personally, my style, I'm a swing trader, but I like to scalp or intraday into my position. Right? I like to intraday in my position. So I'm not gonna carry take too long. All right, back to my day. It's a different team. Traffic. Boom. Enter. Exit. That's it. End of trade for the day. Right? So this is the way I trade and do my pivots. So, right. I'll update you guys further on how this all play out. Right? So you have tomorrow trade plan. Ready. Down, down, up, sell. Down, down, up, sell. See? Down, 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 up, up, sell. Down, 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 up, up, sell. down, 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 up, up, sell. Finish. So you have 1, 2, 3 position running as a day trader, right? As a swing trader, sorry. So I have this first trade, I have my second trade somewhere within here. I have my third trade somewhere within here, right? And leave it, make it run. Add. Every day, you get the setup, you add, and by the end of the month, or the end of the week, you might even have 5 trades running, right? So each trade give you, say, average out to give you 100 pips. So in all, totally, let's say you'd be getting like 500 pips in total. And this is just one asset, right? So you can play it out along with all 2 or 3 assets. Just calculate the risk and make it play out like this, right? So this is just a basic price action along with pivot points, right? So check out this video, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll try my best to address any issue. You guys need further explanation, no problem, right? I'll get straight into it.